Now next method for sterilization of the metal needles is moist sterilization method. Okay, in this same procedure we have to follow for cleaning of these needles, and then we have to sterilize it by the moist method. Okay, after cleaning you have to wrap it in a paper or the wrapping paper, then we have to tie it with a thread, and then you have to keep it in the sterilization chamber, that is autoclave. Holding pressure will be 15 lbs per square inch. Holding pressure temperature will be 121 degrees Celsius, and holding time is 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you have to switch off the autoclave and allow it to cool. Then open the lid of the autoclave and remove the sterilized material, and close the steam inlet of the SS sterilizing bin immediately. Remove the sterilized material from the SS sterilizing bin when required. Okay. Now next method for the sterilization of the glasswares, dry heat sterilization is given. Now in this you have to wash all the glasswares with the tap water from inside and outside. Flush all the glasswares inside and outside with the help of mild detergent solution. In case of oily liquid, use chromic acid solution for flushing. Flush inside and outside with the purified water. Finally wash it with the freshly distilled water at least for 3 to 4 times to remove any remnant of the detergent. Then you have to air dry all the glasswares, or you have to dry it at 65 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes in hot air oven. Wrap all the glasswares with brown paper or cover open ends of the glassware with cotton plug. Load the wrapped glasswares in the oven by maintaining the sufficient space for easy hot air circulation inside the oven. Carry out the sterilization in hot air oven with usual precautions. You have to use the temperature 170 degrees Celsius, and you have to sterilize it for 1 hour. After sterilization, you have to remove the switch of the hot air oven, allow it to cool, and then you have to store it in the sterile area only. Second method for sterilization of the glasswares is same as that of the needles, that is moist sterilization or autoclaving. Okay, same procedure you have to follow for cleaning of this sterilization of these glassware. After cleaning, we have to load it in the autoclave bin, and before loading you have to wrap it with the wrapping paper, and then you have to keep it in the autoclave. Temperature is 121 degrees Celsius, 15 lbs per square inch, and timing is 20 minutes for the sterilization of the glassware. After sterilization, switch off an autoclave, allow it to cool, and open the autoclave and remove the sterilized glasswares and store it in the sterile area only. And these glasswares, needles and syringes are open whenever you want to use. That time only they are open. Till that time you have to keep it in the sterile condition. Okay, what is the result of this experiment? The syringes, needles and glasswares are sterilized and submitted. That much you have to write. Okay, thank you.